It is an honor and a privilege to be with you this afternoon. This project, valued at $58,000, 58,048 and 66 cents, was funded jointly by the Office of the Prime Minister's Small Grant Scheme team. It is a very powerful demonstration of what can be done when the community or communities and government or government agencies help to build lasting indications of progress as our contribution to future progress. We know that the word Solisolivaki is now being used a lot again in Fiji. But this project is a very good demonstration of the Solisolivaki spirit. Today's commissioning reaffirms your government's commitment to ensuring that every child, regardless of whether they live in urban or in rural maritime areas of Fiji, has access to safe, modern, and quality learning environments that will support their future potential. I went to my own district school in the village. Village was Rekinwai, Nabusab Navatu, in the Konrabe. My sisters went to Nambua, Fijian school. When we had a member of the family, my father's younger brother, who was in the army at the time, as a corporal in the engineer, Fiji Military Forces engineers at the time, in the 1 construction squadron. They came and stayed with them while they went to Nambua. My son went to Draiba, or came to Draiba. Before he went on to Veuto and then Queen Victoria School, we acknowledge the former President Ratu Epeli Nelaj Kau, the late former President Ratu Epeli Nelaj Kau, former President Ratu Williame Katunvere, and former President Major General Chochi Konrate. What other school in Fiji has produced 3 presidents of the nation? As an inspiration to all annual intakes of the school, as they come in, to know how far students coming to this school can go in their lives. Their achievements remind every child that gathered here today that greatness is not only determined by where you come from, but by the value you and your parents uphold, the education you and your teachers work for, and the determination that you yourself will carry throughout your life. This new facility, therefore, represents far more than just an additional infrastructure. It represents renewed opportunities for every student to learn, to develop, to lead, and to contribute meaningfully to Fiji's future. I believe we have about 704 students, 375 boys and 329 girls. And this facility will provide you with a safe and vibrant space for assemblies, sporting activities, cultural programs, awareness campaigns, and a wide range of educational and community events throughout your years here. But buildings alone do not transform nations. They become transformational when they enable children to acquire knowledge, to develop character, to strengthen leadership, and to embrace innovation, and also to pursue excellence. Our great national resource is not found beneath our land or within our oceans. It is found in the people. You are going to be the leaders of our nation of your time. So stand up and be accounted for and contribute when you become young men and women, when you become older men and women, and when you become very old men like I am to your nation. All these are values that you must embrace as you form your characters in primary schools. These are still the formative years of your lives. And we can only contribute to those formative years so that you establish the character you're going to be as you carry this nation on your shoulders. Look at the hall and look at the facilities and remember this day. But remember the words we are telling you. I speak on behalf of your parents. I speak on behalf of your teachers. I speak on behalf of your talatala. We want you to be great men and women of this country. There are so many things that are interfering without effort. They are interfering and trying to drag away your thinking from what we are trying to give you as values for life. Now you hear about them. A bit later you'll know about them. And hopefully then you can decide for yourself to go along with what the teachers, what the police, what the leaders of the nation, what the religious leaders are trying to tell you. Be men and women of character. Be strong men and women of character. That the man on your left, the man on your right, or the lady on your right can rely on. We want you to be reliable, strong people of this country. Ask your parents when you go back to read to you the part of the Bible where Jethro advised Moses on what kind of people to be chosen as leaders. Jethro told his son-in-law 3 things. God-fearing, hard-working, men and women who cannot be bribed. Ni nanumin na siya nung kupasin ko arungan ni. Nanumin na kaya tabuli di bikam ni. Ni parungatan na ipakasala may vale. Parungatan na ipakasala may lotu. Munita mata kaukuwag lang ka. Sabi ano ito nang kasi, nom ni tumtumbu, nini na maruta ka ba, ang tagasarapawin na kanabi kasama isoli bikam nino kwa. There will be facilities where you will continue to build your characters, build your team, build a team that's going to be Team Fiji of the future. Tumantiyo na turangan na si Liu, dito ka na maturangan na maramay tumtumbu. Dito ka na nga simbure, pati kay ni Rangwane. Dito ka na sureti. Dito ka na legislation na mativalu. Dito na commissioner of police. Kaya ni kasi na legislation pa matinto. Dito lang ako ay may nilaw. May bola ni Prime Minister. May indo ko nung gitabi. Sureti ko may kina na matagan kuha. Manita matakaw kung gaga, wakalong nga take ni Sarwale na klo. Pinawalip.